MeghalayaPost.news.
Umsning Town Durbar balai senok tilang dakin riu tili kisnong ha kasatri jong Umsning Town Hariboy District Kala Pynkit sanan Shikhung ki Jingdawa kiterpeng Myntri Rangbah ka jela konrat ke sangmau balawan ban Shim Khia ha ka program ka bekerpang balakot da Umsning Town Durbar ka balalong hnen kasngi ha auditorium hall ha Umsning Town Durbar ha kane kasngi na galyang chairman Umsning Town Durbar ba roki kelau lo persngau ya ki Jingdawa ba ka juk ko poru ula IT ka dorkhas halor shibun ki Jingdawa badan kamna ka benta ka jingbet jingbiang ki pajba ka thang Umsning kimat ki ba khmat balabu da Umsning Town Durbar ki kentuk ban penyo ya scientific solid and waste management ka stadium bat penpai kamadan yelek ka petarim ban penyo ban care ya ka jaka bashpo aka jong Umsning Town Durbar banwanra ay ka fire and emergency station ha Umsning bansnai ka parking lot bat ka market complex bat kentuk ban penpai ki surok bat ban penbhabri ya ka sor Umsning nalor kiwi kimat badan kam habakran ha ka sengiu Myntri Rangbah ka jela konrat ke sang maulo penpau ya ka jingkeman ban don bentah ha ka sengi na ka bentah ban kran halor ka bah kamiat bat ka roi ka par jong ki pajba ka Umsning bat Myntri Rangbah ula Kular ban Shim Khia halor kite kimat balawan ra da Umsning Town Durbar kiwi ki blai don lang hakani kasngi ki kantup yo menteri katana sin RD ba sustenance sotun UMLA Umsning Dr Celestine Lengdo UMLA Kamahoti ba Charles Marngar uchairman Umsning Town Durbar ba Roki Kala ki officer bat kiwi ki Rangbah bat ki pajba nong shnong kathan Umsning
on requirement of scientific solid liquid waste management system, a football stadium, a boundary fencing of 12 acres land at Umsning Patrim, River District, construction of 10-kilometer internal road, renovation and beautification of existing 2-kilometer of footpath, construction of parking lot and marketing complex, installation of 100 street light within the Umsning Town Durbar, creation of traffic brands is very important, sir, here in Umsning, and a fire and emergency service station. Respected sir, it is to be brought to your kind attention and duly pledged before your thoughtful consideration regarding the following urgent requirement for the Umsning Town Durbar River District. Number 1, a scientific solid and liquid waste management system. Respected sir, for your kind information, the Umsning Town Durbar, a conglomerate of 6 villages looks after the situation of the Umsning Town Durbar as a whole. It is mentioned that Umsning Town Durbar, it is the process of a new dumping ground measuring about 8 acres. But dumping of waste in the new location is inaccessible since there is no motorable road to reach there and no proper setup a waste disposal system. Number 2, a football stadium. Respected sir, it is with the same pride of intimate your kind authority that Umsning Sport and Cultural Club owned a humble football ground located at Umsning, taking the aspiration and expectation of all the football lover on board. This said, humble football ground is in direct need to be upgraded and standardized equipment with all the accessories, facilities for the player and spectators. Number 3, boundary fencing. Respected sir, we would like to emphasize that all good intents and purpose boundary fencing of around 12 acre land within which lies the aforementioned football ground it is of extreme importance that sir, this land lies adjacent to the National Highway 5 at Umsning bypass. Number 4, sir, construction of parking lot and marketing complex. We the people of Umsning humble request you kind consideration to construct a parking lot and parking complex at Umsning Town Durbar land. The growing population and increasing vehicular traffic in area have led the congestion, the making issue, causing inconvenience to resident and visitor.
Remember us that you have brought a change in the way we think, and you have brought a change in the way we should expect from a leader of the state. It is the viewpoint, it is your vision, it is the way you bring the change in the lives of the people and the way they should expect.
So a little bit about Riboy. when we talk about Ribhoi, we can see how fast we are growing in all aspects in just few years. Ribhoi is a place where, as we say, we don't need to plant a pumpkin and a special system. Here we simply threw a seed in our garden, and a few months later, we get many pumpkins. That is Ribhoi district. That is how fertile and full of potential our district is. With the new convention center in Nongpoh, I dream that under your leadership, sir, we will one day also see a mini secretariat in Ribhoi district. Klep Kaloi. Kani ke perthai mobile mentan ni ting ting saya alam bekalai. Dari mana rumah? Nak kata dalam aku abang ipi. Long ki besta, bishar bah, husiar bah, but shua bapinla pinrai ya kerai ke joki. Dapusan bah. Yo kawan kecing papi. Aku abang pin kenmau ipi, kenmau papor orang trai mahe si ong ingat kuni. Wat kelet ban ong kublai. Pat kabah nyau ikicing kerku. Ini di altli ki poin bang aku abang kenmau ipi. Bang Yimdei ban kelet ya ki belalai bahai ni. Kular kan? Dr. Bom mendang ni Trilang ngaruh. I work together with Dr. Bom. Most of the time I'm here in Umsning. My village starts from the CNC. So we always together, we will work together. I'm very close with Umsning constituency and many students from my constituency. They come to study here in Umsning.
You may not believe this, but I do this in a program called CM Connect. What we are having today is actually CM Connect. Many difficult questions are asked, and all the department officers are sitting right there to reply, and I'm there, of course, to back them up in whatever way possible. So it's something that we have been doing for a long time. And the reason why we do this is because we as politicians, especially the three of us present out here, the biggest complaint against us as politicians is what? That politicians only show up during election. Correct? That is the biggest complaint. And that is what we want to change. We want to give the message to the people. I mean, election is 2 years away, 2.5 years almost away. We have a long time. There is no need for, as per the convention of politicians and elections, there is no need for Chief Minister to walk through Umsning market area on the road. There is no need. You would see Chief Minister doing that before election. But we are doing it now. And there's a reason why we're doing it. The reason is because we genuinely care. We genuinely care. We genuinely believe that the public and God has given us this opportunity to serve the people. This is what we believe. And that's why, even though I cannot solve every single problem that comes up, let me be very frank with you, I cannot. But that does not mean I run away from the problems. I must face them. That is what I have been selected or elected to do. Dr. Baum must face them. But Charles and all of us must face them. And that is the reason why we are here today. We are here, as I said, because we believe that we are here to serve each and every citizen of our state. And we will do our best to ensure that we have a very good meeting. I have spoken to the Commissioner Secretary Sports. We have already had a discussion in the last 3 hours. And I can give you the assurance, as I said, right here, right now, We have 2 years, so therefore I cannot run away from it. So I'm giving you the assurance that the fencing and the VIP gallery will be implementing it immediately. So, and at the same time, the basic grass that has to be grown, it may not be the quality that say we have in Jain Stadium right now, because that requires a lot of drainage and other things. But so that the sports person are not hurt and are safe, we will try to improve the ground also. But fencing and gallery, VIP gallery, is something that we have already decided. So that's one thing. The speed of light only, that we just were there at the junction when I got down from the vehicle, right? And the town Durbar officials were there with me, and they told me that the nala has to be made and the nala has to be cleaned, and that road that goes towards Mohati, there has to be drainage being made. And I talked to our engineer Lalu from PWD. So he told me that it's about 1.5 or 1.8 crores something. File is there, and it's on the table of Deputy Chief Minister in charge PWD.
MeghalayaPost.news